sterile diet of enabling abilities to appear. Today, I wanted to show you a very interesting device that I found for those of us who need to have two computers hooked up to one monitor, one keyboard, one mouse, and one set of speakers. In my case, I've got two desktop computers that I use on a regular basis. One that has Windows 7 as the operating system. The other one has Windows XP installed for running older software and some other programs that I use on a regular basis. This same device can be used with a desktop and a laptop, or if you need to hook up two laptops to one monitor, one mouse, one keyboard, it'll work equally well for that. This is the KVM switch. This device is what allows you to connect two computers to one monitor, one keyboard, one mouse, and one set of speakers. As you can see, the one side of the KVM switch has the connectors for the mouse, keyboard, speakers, etc. And the other end is what connects to the two computers, which I'll be showing you in a moment. I will also show you the switch that we use to operate each computer during this video. Here you see the two basic connectors for the Belkin flip, which is the KVM switch, and you have the standard monitor plug as well as your mouse connector and keyboard, and there's one of those sets of cables for each of the two computers that you want to connect to the switch itself. And then, as you saw previously, the main connectors from your monitor, mouse, keyboard, and speakers are connected directly into the front of the KVM switch. This is the switch that we use to move from using one computer to the other. Belkin refers to it as a puck, and to use it you simply press down on it to switch between the two machines you're connected to.
Here I am using my Windows 7 machine, and I've got my standard keyboard and mouse that works. I'll go ahead and bring up Notepad and start typing. There we are. Now, with the click of a button, on the USB built-in flip, I will now switch to using my XP machine with the same keyboard and mouse.
Now, as you see, I have switched to my XP machine, and I'll bring up Notepad, and using the same keyboard, mouse, and speakers, I'm now working on a separate computer which has XP on it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email me at darylh@enabling.abilities.com.